Just as I have predicted in a previous video of mine where I stated that this AI Alkaline editing video, it is going to become a trend, and so said, so done. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. So we see that a lot of ladies have been coming out with AI video with themselves kissing or hugging or whatever with Alkaline. Honestly, I am yet to see another artist where his fans go the extreme length to edit and create video of themselves hugging their favorite artists, kissing them favorite artists, and a lot more things. So I want you guys to watch these videos that I'm going to show you, and you let me know which one of the videos that y'all think is the best editing AI video with Alkaline. Which one you feel like say, yo, at the top tier, classic, or if you say, yo, that one is bad, that one is really solid. So watch the video and make me know one thing. These 3 videos, I'm wanting to watch it and make me know one thing. You know our Vibes and Inside with Nanda already. A mad thing. Out.
Girl, me no know if you call that, and me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that, and me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that, and me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that, and me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that, and me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. Be the one to make you happy, give you your regular cocky, travel the world, who fi stop in a one. Be the one to make you happy, give you your regular cocky, travel the world, who fi stop in a one. Be the one to make you happy, give you your regular cocky. Baby, me need you and me must breathe you. Why? Baby, me need you and me must breathe you. Why? Baby, me need you and me must breathe you. Why?
Bro, I've yet to see another artist stop something like this where really I'm in a dancehall, bro. Is it safe to say it's a new level unlock again by Alkaline and him fans them, dog? Because nobody do it best like Alkaline, brother, and him fans them. Him fans them go all out for him, them love him, and the ladies them are sure, brother. Again, I'm saying it again. It's safe to say Alkaline have the ladies them wrap around him finger like a ring, bro. Shit is crazy, bro. It is so crazy. Yo, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And I said it again. Our Vibes and Insight with Nando with another banging one. Another one. When I see the video when I upload earlier, it'll create a little buzz. The views them I go up and I get traction. So them love it. And you know again, a mad thing. I'm out. Peace.